Welcome everyone. Today we learn the chapter Going Small from the book The One Thing by Gary Keller. Gary Keller says that if everyone has the same number of hours in a day, why do some people seem to get so much more done than others? How they do more, achieve more, earn more and have more? If time is the currency of achievement, then why are some able to make more cash than others? He says that people who achieve more are the people who go small. These are the people who get into the heart of their approach. The author says when you want the absolute best chance to succeed at anything you want, your approach should always be go small. By going small, author means that ignoring all the things you could do and doing what you should do. First, you should understand that not all things matter equally, and second, find out the thing that matter most. He says that extraordinary results are directly determined by how narrow you can make your focus. He also says most people think big success is time consuming and complicated. As a result, their calendars and their to-do lists become overloaded and overwhelming, and success starts to feel out of reach. So they settle for less without understanding that big success comes when we do few things well. They get lost trying to do too much and in the end accomplish too little. Over time, they lower their expectations, abandon their dreams, and allow their life to get small. Author want to say that you have so much time and energy, so when you spread yourself out, you end up spread thin. You want your achievements to add up, but that actually takes subtraction, not addition. He says you need to be doing fewer things for more effect instead of doing more things with side effect. The problem with trying to do too much is that even if it works, adding more to your work and your life without cutting anything, it brings a lot of bad with it. Missed deadlines, disappointing result, high stress, long hours, all in the name of going after something that is easier to get than you might imagine. Author says going small is a simple approach to extraordinary results, and it works. It works all the time, anywhere and on anything. Why? Because it has only one purpose: to ultimately get you to the point. When you go as small as possible, you will be staring at one thing, and that's the point. So, what are the key learning from this chapter? Number 1, going small is the key to achieve more. When you prioritize your work and do the most important work, what you're supposed to do now, that's what means going small. Second, big success comes when we do a few things well. Third, extraordinary results are determined by how narrow you can make your focus. So this was all about the video. I hope you liked it. I request you to please like the video and subscribe the channel to boost this video so that it can reach to many people, and please let me know in the comment if I can bring more book chapters review of your choice. Thank you.